Don't keep coming to me.
Clearly,
I'm not going to yield.
I'm gonna keep walking straight. It didn't like I was swerving into it. I was walking straight.
But were you walking on his side of the aisle?
No.
Yes.
No,
He was.
I was walking on the right side.
No, he was on your side.
I was walking on the right side.
Yeah, in my left, because I was facing.
Yeah, so I'm walking down the right side.
No, he's walking his side. Like they're walking like that.
So he was walking on the wrong side though. Because when you walk it, you walk on the right side. You walk-
I can't wait to put this up.
So I made sure I was like right by the clothes. I was far over.
So like driving.
Not looking up.
So like driving. Hey, I'm coming down, you coming up, and you're getting left. I'm in the right, you're in the left. same way.
Move out the way.
Like, the same way you driving, bro. You don't drive on the right side, do you?
Yeah.
And so then, I was just making sure the guy after him understood that I was not gonna move.
You better walk around.
I'm still watching the game.
So he made a good outburst. Well, you need to get your tail out of the way then. For everybody around here.
Ignorant, dang.
No, not that. He was tired. Is what you had him in Stein Mart.
He's in Stein Mart for 2 hours.
Look, listen to him. He's like, he was in Stein Mart for 2
I
hours.
probably was loud. But yeah, I was mad.
Ready to go home.
Bro, I swear to God, I walked around Stein Mart for 2 hours. It ain't 2 hours worth of stuff in Stein Mart.
Yes.
No, it's not.
There's shoes, there's clothes, there's furniture, clothes, mugs.
Yes, we said mugs.
Yeah, coffee mug.
Really?
We went in for sheets, and then I ended up
Sheets.
looking at
Did you get any
shoes.
sheets?
Yes.
Okay.
Been 2 minutes.
That's an accomplishment.
No, it's not.
At least you came out with what you went in there for, right?
No. Because
No, because you still got
I saw
58.
the sheets when we first got in there.
He said, well, here's the sheets right here. Right here. Here's the
Right
sheets.
there.
Yeah, he had a bad attitude.
Yeah, I had it. Yeah, we didn't get along.
These are, of course, couple conversations.
Okay, but we're still going to Target. I don't care.
Yes, right.
These are all the couples we have.
We split up
We got
in Target though.
salty caramel. And we have salty caramel. Salty delight. Who are you?
Salty corn.
Oh, hold on.
What's my candy meat?
Oh, good. So we put salty caramel with candied meat, and hold on. What kind of meat? You get caramel meat. You get caramel meat. You get salty caramel meat. Okay, scoot over, salty. Scoot over.
People code names because we don't want,
You don't want creep. No, they'll find you for it. That's why we use the names we use. Okay, so we got salty caramel. Last time she said she was sexy caramel. I said, well, you'll be salty.
We
So
got kids. We don't eat, you know what I'm saying? We don't
Okay,
know
so
what
we got salty caramel, and then she goes with candied meat. And then these are two y'all been hearing talk. All right. Did you see? She did this right here. She did this. And he said he going to Boondocks. Okay, no. Come on.
I ain't got no code name.
Okay, so we got
The angry black man.
no, we do not.
That's because of him. They started calling me that because of you.
What did you
Went to
do?
Kentucky.
What did you do in Kentucky?
What I do in Kentucky?
Oh, yeah, tell me what happened to Kentucky.
All of our restaurants, mishaps. They
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, no, they mess with our kids. Now, I'm going to get serious. Now, hold on. Let's see. Be
And so then when we got back, we went to Chick-fil-A. I'm seeing her order and I'm telling him what I want. And the guy was like, well, you know if you do this? I said, no. I'm telling you exactly what I want. Don't tell me what I want to order.
What are you doing in there?
He said you
The boys were just like,
But Man, I was like, I want this and this. He was like, well, you know. I'm like, no, but you can't order my food. Like, I know what I want. I don't want what you do.
I want my chicken sandwich without the lettuce, bro.
I want the lettuce for a dime, dude. I don't want the 5-cent lettuce, dude. No.
Oh man.
So we got these two. We'll let them reveal their Brian, it's your TV name.
I can't compete now.
And then we
Stole the show. I can't compete after that one.
I don't have to worry about nobody saying my name.
they're gonna be like, Candy. There's gonna be somebody out there. They're gonna say, I saw you on that, Candy. And you know what's crazy? But what's crazy? What's crazy is the masses
wanna come out
really
this- down the
no,
street, "Hey, Delicious."
they would really know you for real. Because we were at Charlie's and somebody was like, y'all are on. We were like, creepy, but yeah, that's us. But yeah, no, yeah, but I mean, we wouldn't
But
think that nobody.
there's a certain way like you can come at, you know, you just ain't
Like
gotta
she
be
was just
like.
sitting there like, hey. I was like, hey. Like, why are we smiling? Like, I don't know. But she was telling us about our YouTube channel.
People see you out. They call you by your Instagram name.
Yeah. They be like, Diva. You be like, oh, hey.
That's why I deleted half my friends.
I'm going through that. I'm cleaning mine up too now.
We still got people to talk to y'all. My folks don't say nothing.
They just like up pictures. Like.
They don't say nothing deep.
Man, I had a guy talk to me for like an hour. Talking about kids and everything. How you boys doing? I'm like, bro, I do not know you. Like, we Facebook friends. I'm like, why am I talking to you? Yeah, and I was like,
That was a long time ago.
that's
Yeah,
when I
that
started
was
deleting people. My friends list is real short. Man, he talked to me for an hour, like telling me like, man, your boys, they getting big and everything. I'm like,
I grew up with y'all.
and I'm sitting here trying to think like,
And I
okay,
asked you, I was
I'm like,
like,
man, we cool, like, you know my kids.
Did your
so-
boys get their tutorial put in the
No, I'm the one that got them that last Christmas gift.
like I gave them the whole.
What I love is people that are on like Facebook and stuff that weren't cool in like high school and stuff, but they look like they cool now.
Like,
You're like,
ooh, say some nice.
oh, no.
Beat this guy game.
We in Southern California. They gonna say,
Keep it going. Keep it going.
keep it going.
Keep it going.
Yeah.